Yeah, the part of the certification training. Sir, we had clear discussion in the last session about fundamental data types. Correct, right? Yes, friends. We covered very clearly about fundamental data types in the last session. Okay. Now take a bit very special care about the remaining things. Here, just have a look once. Sir, still I mean till indexing concept we completed. Okay, first we had a discussion about int. Next, the float type, even complex, which is not required for the exam, complex, which is not required for the exam, we covered already. Sir, after complex, what is the next thing we had a discussion? Next thing we had a discussion about, sir, even str also, str and then bool. These are 5 data types are by default considered, yeah, fundamental data types, fundamental data types of Python, sir. But here, related to str, we had a discussion. Related to str, we had a discussion about index. What is str? How you can represent these things, right? So now the next cinema, what I have to discuss, sir, slice operator. For the exam, slice operator is going to play very important role. At least 1 or 2 questions are there from the slicing. So better to have clear clarity about slice operator, right? In our regular Python sessions, already we did a great postmortem about this concept. But anyway, just let me review again. Sir, slice. Do you know what the meaning of slice? Slicing. Anyone, can you please tell? Slice, sir. What it means? Slice means what? A piece. Correct time? Slice means a cutting piece. Piece is by default considered as slice. If you observe that, if you observe, if you go to the Google, just apple slice. Are you getting apple slice? Then immediately you can able to say apple slice. This is one slice. This is one slice. It is one slice. Are you getting? Slice means a piece which is cut. Okay, yeah, so like this is one slice, something like. Okay, now so I have one string is there. I have one string is there, sir. Assume that, sir, a big string is there with me. Okay, this is the string, sir. Assume that there are multiple characters are there in this string, sir. Now I want a piece of that. I want a piece, a slice of that. So something like 4th index to 7th index, or 10th index to 12th index, like a sequence. Yeah, sir. I want this slice. I want only this slice I want. Are you getting? This is a part, a piece present in the given string. If you want to get, then for that purpose we should go for slice operator. It may be need not be string. Maybe tomorrow we may discuss about a list concept. You may discuss about tuple concept. There also, sir, it is by default considered as one slice. Sir, a piece of the given sequence is called slice. If you want to get a slice from the given sequence, then we should require to go for what? The slice operator. Now, are you in the position? Why the word slice? What internally it means? Slicing means what? Okay, slicing means what? Okay, piece, sir. Like, suppose best example, I have one string is there, sir. My string A B C D E F G H I J is there. Assume that, sir. Sir, it is a string. Sir, I want a slice from 2nd index to 5th index. 2nd index to 5th index. Can you please observe? 2nd index to 5th index means 0, 1, 2. Okay, sir, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, C, D, E, F. This is slice I want. Then what we have to take is yes of 2nd index to. Okay, 2nd index to. Okay, up to 5th we require to consider. Regarding up to 5th we require to consider. Here we have to specify some 5 or 6 or something like we can specify. No problem. Assume that 6, sir. Assume that 6. Don't worry. I will explain the conditions, right? So 2:6 means 2 to 6. Can you please give the piece? That thing is by default considered as slicing. Okay, all the people are in a position to understand, right, what the meaning of slicing, right? Okay, that's all. So now the important conclusion here is, so to get a piece, we should go for slice operator, right? So now what rules are there? What the syntax for slicing? Just the basic syntax. Let me explain, sir. Begin to end. So here we have to specify begin index. Here we have to specify end index. Observe very carefully, sir. Matter of 5 minutes I want to spend on this operator. Begin to end. So it returns the string. It returns the string from begin index to. Can I spell out? I forgot. Begin index to. Please respond. Each and every person. Begin index to end minus 1 index. Begin index to end minus 1 index. Regarding it returns the string from begin index to end minus 1 index. Remember these ones are begin to end minus 1 index like this, right? Okay, well, similarly, if I can take so that's a begin to end means like this, right? Now, so if you want to get 2 to 5, compulsory we require to use s of 2:6. 2:6. So begin to n minus 1. 6 minus 1 means 2 to 5 by default you are going to get. All the people are in a position to understand clearly. Yes, up to this, are you facing any difficulty to understand this one? Okay, it's very easy, sir. You are telling orally. Okay, well, where is the proof? Where is the proof for that? You people may ask. Very simple, sir. Just s is equal to like this. I'm taking, sir. Forget about this code. S is equal to like, sir, print s of 2:6 like this. I'm taking 2:6 like I'm taking, sir. So what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? This is what the output. If I run this code, what the output by default you are going to get, sir? Do you know, sir? 2 to 6 means 2 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 like C, D, E, F. Perfectly we are going to get. Don't keep any doubt at all. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay. Well, sir, now like this you can take from anyway. Next, here one small twist is there, sir. If you are not specifying begin index, so begin index is optional, end index is also optional, friends. Begin is optional, end is also optional. If you are not specifying the begin index, then the default value for begin is 0, sir. So default value for begin is 0, sir. If you are not specifying begin index, then the default value is 0. That's why, sir, if you observe, let me remove these 2. If I remove 2, now from 0 index onwards until n minus 1 means 0 to 5 total thing by default we are going to get. Remember that 0 to 5 total by default we are going to get. Yes, starts from 0 onwards. Okay, like sir, if you are not specifying end index, the default value for end index is length of the string. The default value for end index is length itself is the default value, right? Length itself is the default value because length minus 1 is going to consider, right, until end. Okay, so now here if you are not specifying anything, sir, yes, even this slice operator is also acceptable. Do you know here some 2 I'm taking. Assume that 0, 1, 2. 2 means C, sir. 2 means C. C2 end. C2 end. It is going to consider. Now have a look once. 2 to end. Have you observed? 2 to end. It is going to be considered. Any doubt? Friends, are you in the position to understand this one? Okay, well, this is one important things, right? So what is begin? So begin and again from begin index to n minus 1 index. Default value for begin is 0. Default value for end index is length of the string. Now take very special care for the exam sake. If I'm taking colon 1000, can you please tell what will happen? What will happen? Colon 1000 or otherwise no problem. 2 to 2000 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what will happen? Yes, good. Everyone should be in a position to tell, sir. 2 to 1000 I'm taking, sir. Okay, please make sure. Slice operator never going to rise, sir, index error. Very important point, sir. Slice operator never going to rise index error. Index error never going to rise index error, sir. Slice operator never going to rise index error. Remember this one. So it is always going to take until available characters. That's all. So to end whatever characters are there, up to that it's going to consider. So like a boss in this range, can you please give whatever content I have? Sir, up to 1000 it is not required to have compulsory characters. That's why it never going to rise index error. Remember slice operator, right? But if you can ask yes, normal like this. Hey, can you please give the character? Locating at 1000 index, then immediately Python will give left and right error. Normal index error, but the slice operator, you never going to get any index error. Please make sure you people should aware, right? Okay. Now observe that. So from begin to end we are going to get. I mean second index to end. Even though we specified 1000, no problem at all. Suppose if I'm taking 1000 to 2000 1000 to 2000, sir, in this range of indexes is there any content? Please respond. In a range of index, is there any content? No. Then what will happen is nothing, just empty string by default you are going to get. Nothing, empty string by default we will get. Now you people are getting the clarity. So what is the begin index? What is the end index? Next, the slice operator never going to raise any error. Okay, that's all. Next, what is the default value for begin? What is the default value for end? Okay, that's all. Not required to keep any explanation, right? Okay, because you are asking about slice. In that the slice is not there. Simple, it's going to tell no slice man empty. Are you getting no slice empty? I'm returning something empty. That's it. Okay, well, this is about slice. But here there is one more small thing is there. Please make sure you people should aware, sir. What I'm trying to take here is just observe a bit carefully, sir. Here one small twist is there. Please have a look once, sir. So here now I'm taking this one. Just let me take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, that's all. This is about my strings, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like this I took, sir. Okay, well, sir, now just let me take the content. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, I, J. Up to that I'm taking, sir. Now take very special care, sir. Very special care. Okay, what is the indexes? Can you please tell? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's it. 0 to 9. These are the valid indexes, right? Now the point is, what I'm trying to take here is legend this one. If I can take 2 to 8, can you please tell what is the meaning of that? 2 to 8, what is the meaning of that? From 2 to 7, correct, right? From 2 to 7, it's always going to return some string. 2 to 7, okay? 2 to 7 means 2 to 7 means what is the content is here? 2 to 7, like this, right? Okay, so every time, so after C, can you please consider next character? After D, can you please consider next character? So you know it is sequence. Every time you are moving to the next cell, moving to the next cell, you are jumping how many cells at a time? Only one cell. Are you getting at a time only one cell? Now the answer we are going to get from C to G or from C to H, like this. This is the output you are going to get. Let me execute this code. Am I going to get the same? C to H, perfect. We are going to get. Now my target is, hey, can you please jump? Sir, don't consider every next character. Can you please jump Can you please jump? So from C to E, from E to G, from, okay, that's all. So something like you require to step two means every second character you require to consider. Every second character you require to consider what it means, sir. Every second character you require to consider. Don't consider all characters, okay? Here, please make sure you people should be aware. For that jumping, what we require to take care? Yes, of begin colon, end colon, step value. This is what you should aware. Now the third thing will come in the picture, step value. Step value means, do you want to jump to next cell or next cell? Like here you require to specify. So if you are not specifying that, then the default value is, anyone can you please tell what the default value for step 1? Are you getting? Default value for step is 1 because every next character is going to consider, that's why 1. Okay, that is the reason why you are getting 2 to 7 all the characters, right? Boss, suppose assume that I want sir 1 2 to 8 colon 2, sir 2 to 8 colon 2 colon 2. What is the meaning of this one is from 2 to 7. From 2 to 7, every second character, can you please consider? From 2 to 7, every second character, can you please consider? So 2 to 7 means this is the range. Every second character means from here. Have you observed? After considering C, can you please consider E? After considering E, can you please consider G? And after that, every second character means I require to consider I, but not in the range. That's why C we are going to get, E we will get, and then G. This is the C, E, G is the answer we have to get, sir. Let me consider that. Okay, that's all. C, E, G, like we are going to get. Next, one more. If I'm taking 3, sir, what the meaning of that? From second character to 8 character, I mean from 2 to 7 in this range, every third character you require to consider. Okay, every third character means, can you please tell? So from in this range 2 to 7, every third character. So first I will consider C. After that, first, second, third. Oh, I require to consider F. Okay. After that, every third character G, H, I is not in the range. That's why C followed by F. This is the only output we are going to get. Are you getting? Let me cross check, sir. Am I going to get the same output or not? Such step value is the 3. If I consider C, F, this is the answer we are going to get. Wow. Now, all the people are in a position to understand what is the begin index, what is the end index, and then what is the step value. Is it clear for all of you, right? Yes, ma'am. Because slice operator you can use with the list, you can use with the tuple. That's why. So, with respect to some data structure, 1 or 2 questions minimum you are going to get. Okay, take very special care about this one, sir. Okay, up to this, not required to keep any explanation about this one. Clear, friends? So what is the begin value? What is the end value? What is the step value? Like this, right? Okay. Now, still I want to show second side of the coin, second half of this slice operator. Up to this, you have to aware what I did, sir. Have you observed what I did? Have you? I hope you people may observe very clearly. Sir, from 2 to 7, can you please move 2 to 7 means you are always moving forward direction. Forward direction, right? By using slice operator, even you can move to the backward direction also. Okay, so you can move either to the forward direction, you can move either to the backward direction. Both the things are always possible. Okay, so you should only forward direction. What about backward direction? Like that. Yeah, just wait, sir. Here, what we require to take care need not be native indexing. Observe that, sir. So, how many arguments are there for the slice operator? Please respond, friends. How many arguments are there for the slice operator? 3 arguments. What is the last argument? Step means jumping to second character, jumping to next third character, something like sir, this step value is going to decide whether you have to move to the forward direction or to the backward direction. Regarding this step value is going to talk whether you require to move to the forward direction or to the backward direction. So if step value is positive, then we have to move to forward direction. Remember that if the step value is positive, we have to move to the forward direction, right? Okay. If step value is negative, then we have to move to backward direction. Regarding, then we require to move to backward direction, right? So step value is positive, then we have to move to the forward direction. If step value is negative, then we require to move to the backward direction. Any explanation is required? Are you in the position to understand this? Okay, so just purely based on step value, whether we are going to move to the forward direction or backward direction. Okay, well, remember that. Sir, if the step value is positive, then we require to move to the forward direction from begin to end minus 1 index. Correct, right? Already I covered, sir. Already I covered. From begin to end minus 1 index, you have to move to forward direction. If step value is negative, then we have to move to backward direction from begin index to end plus 1 index. Remember that. Begin index to end plus 1 index. Observe that very carefully, the rules, right? Sir, if it's the forward direction, begin to n minus 1. If it's the backward direction, begin index to end plus 1 index. You have to take care. Whether it is forward direction or backward direction. Yeah, so begin value, end value, you can take either positive index or negative index, no problem at all. So if it is the negative, then only you have to take negative index. If it is the step value, the positive, then only we have to take positive index for begin and end, no problem. So whether it is the forward or backward direction, begin and end indexes can be either positive or negative, no problem at all. Sir, here we should have the rule related to this step based on that only. Okay, like up to this, everyone can able to understand. Okay, now sir, you have your moving, your direction of moving is going to be decided based on the steps, sir. Positive means forward direction, negative means backward direction. Okay, well, suppose if I can take 0, sir. If a step value is 0, sir, is 0. Can you please tell, you have to move to the backward direction, you have to move to the forward direction. 0 means you have to move either to the forward direction or to the backward direction. Yeah, remember that. Now Python virtual machine is going to be big confusion. Array 0 means you should not move any direction, you have to stop. Array you have to stop here. You require to stop there only. You can't move anywhere. You have to stand there only. Then why you are using slice operator? Without moving, how you will get sir, your required piece? That's why not empty. Step value should not be 0. Regarding should not be 0. 0 step value, we are always going to get errors. Remember this one. So I told slice operator never going to rise index error. But step value, if you are taking 0, then it is the error definitely, right? 1 minute, let me take 0, sir. 0 I'm taking. Step value is the 0. Now observe that. What will happen? Immediately, error by default we are going to get value error. Sir, it is not index error. Value error. Slice step cannot be 0. Value error. Slice step cannot be 0. By default we are going to get. Any doubt? Thoda clarity. I hope you people are getting. But negative index, I will tell example all. Don't worry. Just observe that terminology first. Okay. So here we are going to get value error. Manoj, illegal argument exception is the Java exception, not Python. It is a value error we are going to get. Okay. So now what is the next? Let me go for one more, because let me summarize the rules, right? Okay, like next, in forward direction, if step value is 0, then we will get value error. Okay, well, next, there is one small point is there, sir. Yes, these points also you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, in forward direction, in forward direction, if the end value is 0, if in forward direction, if end value is 0, sir, 0. If end value is 0 means, like if end value is 0, then their result is always empty. Remember this one. So in the forward direction, your end value should not be 0. Remember this one. If end value is 0, then the result is always empty, sir. In backward direction, if end value is -1, if end value is -1, then result is always empty. Sir. Remember that. Okay. If in backward direction, if end value is -1, then the result is always empty. Sir, please make sure these are things right. If you can aware up to this, nothing will be there, sir, in the slice operator. Better to, of course, I will share the material there. All these things will be there, but still, anyway, safe side, you can save these properties, right? Yes, if you aware that, nothing will be there, sir. Nothing will be there. Now you can ask any question from the slice operator. Yes, we are in a position to understand. We are in a position to answer. I can give that guarantee, sir. Okay, well, sir. Now let me go for a small chota example. Then you will get much clarity about this one, sir. Here, what I'm trying to take here, yes, sir. Let me open Python console. Here, yes is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like this I'm taking, I, J, K also I'm taking, sir. Okay, safe side. S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now here just aware 1 minute, please wait for a minute until K also I took. Now you can ask anything, we should be in a position to tell. Yes, that's all. This is the answer, like that, right? A, next, A, B, okay, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then J, K. Perfect. Okay, here just let me consider A, B, C, D. Okay, E, F, G, H, I, okay, J, K, like this I'm taking. Now positive indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, excellent. Now -1, -2, negative indexes is always, you know, right? -3, -4, -5, okay, -6, -7, okay, -8, okay, -9, -9, -10, -11. Okay, that's it. So -1, -2, -3, and so on, like this, right? Okay. Now we will get now we will get. So here step value should not be 0, either in the forward direction or backward direction. Step value should not be 0. Okay, like you should aware. Now here just observe a bit very carefully. You can ask any possibility, no problem at all. We should be in a position to tell, sir. Suppose I'm taking, sir, yes, okay, -8 to -3, -8 to -3, -8 to -3, sir, colon 1 I'm taking, colon 1, or otherwise I didn't specify that. Can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Please tell. Is it forward direction or backward direction? First question, I will straight forward question. Forward or backward direction? Hey, Amol, observe carefully. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. Because step you didn't specify. If you didn't specify step value, default value for step is always 1. 1 means forward direction. 1 means forward direction. Remember that? So first question, forward direction. So either in forward direction or backward direction, indexes can be negative. No problem at all. But how to decide is it forward or backward based on your step value? I didn't specify step value. Default value for step is always 1 forward direction, right? In the forward direction, we have to consider from begin index to n-1 index. Begin index to n-1 index. What is our begin index, right? -8. -8 to n-1. -3, -1 means -4. So -8 to -4 we have to consider. -8 to -4 forward direction. Can you please observe that? -8 to -4, -8 to -4 in forward direction. Okay, up to this. If you are moving towards forward direction, yes, this is the answer by default you are going to get. D, E, F, G, H. D, E, F, G, H. This is the answer we are going to get, sir. Observe carefully. Yes, yes of -8 colon -3. I'm taking, sir. Yes of -8 colon -3. Yes of -8 colon -3. I'm taking, sir. What is the output? D, E, F, G, H. That is the answer. -8 to -4 means D, E, F, G, H. This is the answer we are going to get. Everyone in the position to understand? Friends, sir, is it a forward direction or backward direction? It is the forward direction only. Okay, well, now I'm taking, sir, here. So -3 to -10, -3 to -10, yes of -3 to -10, -10, here colon -2, I'm taking. Yes of -3 to -10, colon -2, I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get? Is it forward or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward or backward direction? Forward or backward direction? Yes, it is the backward direction. How to decide it is the backward direction? It is the decide because of step value. It is the negative number. In the backward direction, we have to consider from begin index to n+1 index. n+1 index. Okay. Begin means -3 to -10 + 1 means -3 to -9. Regarding you require to consider -3 to -9, and every second character you have to consider. Every second character you require to consider. Regarding -3 to -9, every second character you require to consider. Okay, let me cross check. Where is the -3? Where is the -3? -3 to -9 backward direction. Have you observed? Now I'm moving towards backward direction. Okay, like that. -3 to -9. Okay, every time you require to consider. Okay, every second character. So first I, next G, next E, next E, next C. So the output we are going to get IGEC. IGEC. This is the answer we are going to get, sir. Any doubt? Any doubt? Friends, any doubt? Okay, let me cross check. Okay, like here, let me print this one, sir. Yes, sir. -3, -10, -2. IGEC. Perfect. Okay, like, sir, you can ask anything, sir. Anything with these rules, you can able to answer very easily, right? I don't think you people are going to get difficulty to understand this terminology, right? Sir, here, anyway, safe side, I saved one small case study which may not be available in our materials. So just one small execution case study, just it is there. Okay, just what you can consider these things. Yeah, beautiful. Can you please observe that? 162. What will happen? colon colon 1, what will happen? Colon colon minus 1, what will happen? Sir, here 3 7 minus 1, 3 7 minus 1, what will happen? 7 4 minus 1. So just after completing this session, just execute this code, analyze this, then you can get much clarity about this. It is not there in our material, sir. Please save. Even tomorrow I'm going to share the material. In that also it won't be there. That's why please save this case study. Okay, almost all the things we covered. Okay, so like anything you can tell, sir, this is, you can able to answer very easily by saying these cases. Don't worry, sir. Next, one very important question for the interview room. Very important question for the interview room. A small important question I want to share. What is that important point? Yes, sir, I have S is equal to some Durga is there, sir. Durgasoft is there. My target is, can you please reverse? Can you please reverse this string? Can you please reverse this string? This is about my target. How you can reverse this string? Okay, by using slice operator. Regarding by using slice operator, right? Okay, very simple. Yes, colon. If I can take, I didn't specify. So begin and end. If you are not specifying begin and end, then you require to consider. Total string. Total string in forward direction or backward direction. Total string in forward direction or backward direction. It is forward. So S of colon 1 I'm taking, sir. S of colon 1 I'm taking. If I can take S of colon 1, what is the output by default we are going to get? Observe that carefully, sir. Here S of colon 1 like this, right? Perfect. Total string we are going to get, sir. Total string you are going to get. Sir, S of colon minus 1. Total string in reverse direction you are going to get. Hey, can you please tell how you can perform a reversal? How you can find a reverse of given string by using slice operator? How you can find the reverse of given string by using slice operator? Maybe a chance to ask in the exam. Maybe a chance to ask in the interview rooms. That's why colon minus 1 reverse, same string in reverse direction you are going to get. Any doubt? All the people are in a position to answer. Yes, friends, not required to keep any explanation about this terminology. KJI, okay, like a reverse. Next, 1 minute, sir. Kumar is asking a small doubt related to our previous example. Then, so you should be in a position to answer that. Yes, I don't want to tell this answer. You have to tell what is the answer for this. Okay, please. Can you please tell the answer? First question, is it forward or backward direction? Is asking, sir, previous case, can you please explain this? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward direction. Okay. Well, if it is the backward direction, begin to end up plus 1. Begin means minus 5 to minus 2 plus 1 means minus 5 to minus. Can you please tell, sir? Minus 5 to sorry, sir. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 5 to minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So from minus 5 index to minus 1 index, you require to move to the backward direction. So let me go to these locations first. According to our diagram, minus 5 to minus 1. Sir, minus 5 to you require to move to the backward direction. Is it possible to get a minus 1? If I move to the backward direction, is it possible to get minus 1? Never. If you move to the forward direction, you will get minus 1. But you are moving to the backward direction, you never going to get. That's why. So what will be happening is empty string we are going to get. Remember, no such type of part, no such type of piece in our string. Yes, Kumar, are you in the position to understand? Now let me cross check. Let me execute this code. Okay, if I can take S of, can you please spell out S of? What is asking? Minus 5, minus 2, minus 2. S of minus 5, colon -2 colon -2. But the answer we are going to get simply empty string. Regarding simply empty string, nothing will be there, sir. Clear, friends? Okay, like that. You can ask anything, man. Our rules, we are very strong in the rules. So complete postmortem about slice operator is already there with us. Okay, slice operator. Sir, we got removed already. You can ask anything in the slice. We should be in a position to answer. Very important terminology. Okay, now. So just anyway, we are going to practice some examples for the exam sake. Just I want to tell one very important thing, sir. I mean one possible question, one possible question for the main exam. I'm going to tell. Sir, just assume that I have a list. Anyway, we are going to discuss. List is nothing but nothing, man. String means a sequence of characters. String means a sequence of characters like we have. List means a group of individual objects. So individual objects like this, right? Okay, here for every character index is there, here for every object index is there, nothing. So from here also you can able to get a slicing, no problem at all. From here also you can able to get a slicing, the same behavior only like this, right? Okay, so now what is the next next one here is what is the next possibility, right? Sir, here if you consider that, sir, like I have a list is there, very important. Maybe you may see the same bit for the exam, because I wrote the exam, right? That's why I can able to remember some questions. Okay, list is there, list of employee names are there, sir. Okay, list of employee names are there, 500 names are there, sir. Total how many names are there? 500 names are there. Next, last 5 names related to management. Okay, means 495 employees plus 5 means related to management. Okay, to get list of all employee names excluding management, which is the excluding management, which is valid. Which of the following is the valid, sir? Are you able to understand? So means if you have the list of 500 names, in that last 5 names related to management, sir, I don't want management. Can you please consider? Okay, only from. Okay, means so from 0 to 500 employees available means, listen very carefully, sir. 500 employees are available means first index is 0, last index of 499. Perfect. Last index is 499 like this, right? So now -1, -2, -3, next up -4, -5. Negative index also there. -5, 499, 98, 97, 96, 95. Okay, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh, maybe some small mistake. Here just observe that 499, 498, 497, 565 like this, right? Sir, can you please consider, up to this we have to talk about that. Up to this we require to talk about what is the way 0 to can you please consider 495 we have to consider. 0 to 495 we require to consider 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Correct. So 0 to 495 we have to consider. Then automatically what will happen here? 494 will come in the picture. Can you please? Are you in the position to understand, right? Friends, are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, yes. What we have to consider? L of sir 0 to 495 we require to consider. Okay, then what will happen? From 0 index to begin n -1 means 494. Okay, 0 to 494 means 495 employee names by default covered except the last 5. Okay, one way. Sir, it is one option is there. Second option, just they are spell out like this. Is it valid? Is it valid? L of colon 495. Is it valid? Yes, perfect. Valid, sir. Third option they provided L of minus 5. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? L of minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Is it valid or not? Yes. Is it valid or not? Yes. Because the reason for that is, sir, begin to n minus 1. Begin to n minus 1 forward direction. Begin means 0, 0 to, sir, minus 5, minus 1 means minus 6. From 0 to minus 6, we require to consider. 0 to minus 6 means forward direction. 0 to minus 6 means until 494 only. Remember that 0 to minus 6 means until 494 only. Because the reason for that is, observe that. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Okay. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, next minus 6. So, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, and then minus 5, minus 5. Okay, like that. So, here minus 6. From until this we require to consider. So 0 to minus 6 if you want to get, then minus 5 acceptable. Getting, friends? So you require to play the games with forward index, backward index, both. Yes, Kumar, Amol, all the people are in a position to understand, I hope. So definitely this is one question is there. That's why slice operator is the most important concept. You people should aware clearly, right? That's it. So the case study, whatever I covered, under this possible bit also, so that you people can able to answer any type of things. Don't worry about that. That's all. This is about string indexing, string concept and the slice operator, right? So what is the next cinema we require to talk about? Yes, after this slicing and so on, what are the next one we have to talk about, sir? Very important, sir. Please make sure, sir. Up to this, how many operators we covered? Manoj, what your doubt? Here just still some people are asking about the doubt. Please, matter of 1 minute. Please let me spend, sir, some more time. Okay, just a matter of 1 minute. Let me spend. Okay, here just observe that total. How many employees are there? Can you please tell total how many employees are there? 500 employees are there. Please, the people still having any doubt, please observe that carefully. 500 employees are there, sir. Okay. Last 5 employees are management people. Last 5 employees are management people. Okay, except management, all the remaining employees information I want. Okay, sir, just this is next in the middle. Okay, dot is there. Don't worry. Now observe carefully. 0, 1, 2. Next dot. Actually, last index is 499 because 500 is there. 98, 498, 97, 497, 496, 495. Okay, 494. Correct or not? 494 like this, right? So this is the management people. Last 5 are management. These last 5 are management, like. But all the remaining are employees only. Remaining normal employees only, like this, right? Employee. Like we have employee, dot, employees only. Okay, well. Now observe. Let me take negative indexing also. Okay, negative indexing also. -1. Okay, -2, -3, -4. Okay, -5, like -6, like dot until. Sir, can you please tell last here is -500? I'm sure -500 like this. Positive and negative. Okay. Now just I'm telling. I want only management employees. Now observe that I want only management names. I want. What is the way, sir? L of okay, list of only management. What I have to take care. So from 495 to end. Can I take like this? 495 to end. N means 499. Yes, it is acceptable. Or list of 495 to last. Okay, like this. Can you please tell what it's going to provide? Only management names. Only management names. So I want to consider only employees means I want to consider only employees means up to this we require to consider. Up to this we require to consider only employees excluding management. Then list of 0 to 495 we have to take. Sir, why we are taking 495 means because n minus 1 is going to be happen. 495 minus 1 means 494, like this, right? Yes, Manoj, are you able to understand up to this? Okay, well, similarly, list of simple 495 also you can ask. Yes, it is acceptable. It is acceptable. Next, list of this 495 index. What is the negative index, right? What is the negative index, right? Minus 5. What is the negative index, right? Minus 5. Okay, like sir, negative index means minus 5. So here 0 to minus 5 you can specify. Okay, sir, R simply column minus 5 we have to specify. Okay, 1 minute. Up to this, any doubt? Sir, here there is one small point is there. 499 we require to consider means here compulsory 500 we have to specify. Correct. Okay, 500. 500 we have to specify. Okay. Here, can you please observe that? Any doubt about this terminology? Now, in all cases, we are going to get. Okay, only employee information. Okay, this type of tracing must be required for you people. Yes. Everyone in the position to understand this? Okay, that's all. So take a bit very special care about this. So up to this, whatever we covered, the fundamental data types of string concept, right? So the 5 fundamental data types we discussed, sir. Okay, slice is just operator, right? So now here just observe that. Okay, we cover int we discussed, float we discussed, next bool we covered, next complex anyway I didn't spend much time, don't worry sir, complex we covered. Next str we discussed. Indexes can provide one positive and one negative. Yes, Manoj, index can be either positive and either negative. One positive index, one negative index also acceptable, no problem. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, like it is applicable. What your doubt? 1 minute. So we are not coming out from slice operator, it seems. Everyone having the doubts. Yes, sir. Minus 5 colon. What will happen? Yes, sir. Minus 5 colon. What will happen? It is the forward direction. It's the forward direction from begin index to index to end minus 1 index. Begin means minus 5 to you didn't specify last index, that's why end of the string. End of the string. From end of the string. So means end of the list like this, right? So means that here from minus 5 index to end of the string. Minus 5 index to end of the string means only management employees you will get. Forward direction. Only management employees you will get. Yes, Asif. Okay, well, that's all. It's the forward direction because we didn't specify Narayana. We didn't specify slide step value. If you are going to specify step value, then it will be different. Okay, step value is a positive. Step value is one forward direction only. Only management information by default you are going to get. Yeah. Okay, well. Now one more doubt. Yes, here don't worry about this one. Just can you please observe that? Okay. Yes, ella -1 colon -6 colon -1. What we are going to get, sir? It's very simple for you. Backward direction. Okay, from begin index to end plus 1 index, okay, -1 to -6 plus 1 means -5 so -1 to -5 -1 to -5 backward direction, -1 to -5 backward direction. Now also you are going to get only management employees, only management. Getting Kumar? Yeah. Okay, well, that's all. Sir, what is the next step? Correct, Tirumalesu. Only step value can decide either you require to move to the forward direction or backward direction. Begin index, end index won't decide your movement. Step value is going to decide either you require to move to the forward direction, you require to move to the backward direction. Okay, that's all. So now up to this we covered slicing, data types, like all these things, right? But next one more very important concept for the exam sake especially, so you people should have clear clarity about the typecasting, sir, because there are some questions I saw so from this area also. That's why you have to you should have clear clarity. Sir, I have int value is there, I want to convert into float value. I have float value is there, I want to convert into int value. Complex, anyway, if you want you can away in our regular sessions I covered, but the required things, sir, I'm going to explain here. So from one type to another type happily we can able to convert. This concept is nothing but typecasting, or some people may use the word type coercion also. Typecasting, type coercion, like we have. Okay, like. So now how you can perform typecasting? How you can perform typecasting, sir? So very simple, by using the following functions. Int function is there, float function is there, complex function is there. Okay, next the bool function is there, and the str function is also there. Remember that. So by using so int, float, complex, boolean, okay, str, by using these things you can able to perform, you can able to get suggest we can convert from one type to another type. Remember this one, sir. One type to another type we can able to convert. These functions are by default considered typecasting functions. Okay, so first you people should aware, maybe 1 or 2 sessions for every topic theory I will explain, and 1 or 2 sessions for every topic I will explain bits. Okay, so that you will get much clarity. So some people who are attending these sessions, these things are covered in the regular classes, just because there are some people who don't know anything about so Python. That's why for them just an overview, and then practice bits will come in the picture. So instead of explaining only bits, yeah. Now int, float, complex, okay, bool, and then str. That's all. These are the things what you have. So now what is the important, how you can able to convert into the type. Let me go for int. Are very important, these typecasting functions. Please special care you require to take care. Okay, Sir, int I'm taking. Do you know if you want to convert any other type to int, then we require to go for int function. Remember that any other type to int, you require to go for this type int function, right? Suppose I'm taking int of 123.456. No problem. You can able to convert. I want only int value. That's why 123. Regarding if you are trying to convert, float to int, automatically 123 only decimal point. The digits after the decimal point by default will be gone. Remember that. Sir, I want to convert 10 plus 20j complex to int. Sorry, not possible. Remember this one. Complex to int, not possible. You can't immediately you are going to get the error, sir. Next, int boolean, sir. If you can take a true, can you please guess what is the answer? 1 because true 1. Int false. What the value we are going to get, sir? 0 like this. So boolean to int, how to convert? Boolean to int, how to convert, right? Okay, well. Next, int of 10 I'm taking, sir. Yes, string to int, no problem. 10 we are going to get. But here, what rules you have to take care? So for float, straightforward. The digits after the decimal point will be gone. Sir, complex, straightforward. No such type of conversion. Complex to int you can't convert. Boolean values, straight answers only, like. But here for the string, compulsory you people should aware. Sir, here it should contain integral value only. If you want to convert str type to int type, compulsory str should contain only integral value. Means whole number. Should not contain decimal pointer. 10.234. Immediately error we are going to get, sir. Okay, and should be specified only in the base 10. Okay, base 10 like this, right? Sir, now have a look once about this one, sir. Okay, here just int 123.456. 123 is the answer. Int 10 plus 20j, immediately error. Can't convert complex to int. Int true I'm taking. What is the answer, sir? Int of true 1. Int false I'm taking. 0 perfect. Int okay, here 123 perfectly valid. Okay, int 123.456 immediately error. I told, right, if you want to convert the string to int, it should be integral value but not floating point value. It should be integral value. Under that integral value should be specified only in the base 10 only. By mistake, if you are specifying the value in the binary or octal or hexadecimal, like immediately you are going to get error, sir. Sorry, we can't convert immediately error we are going to get. Have you observed, right? Invalid literal for int with base 10. It's always going to consider base 10 only, like this is. Yes, friends. Any doubt? Any doubt up to this? How to convert into the int type? Okay, that's all. This is about how you can able to convert into the int type. Next, we will discuss about the remaining things also, like float, how to use, and like the remaining parts, right? Don't worry. So in the next session, I will explain that.